Close your eyes and think. What will remain of you when you stop speaking, creating, acting? Not likes, not invoice, only the value others carry forward or don't. Real leaders play a longer game than their own lives. Seneca wrote letters that still teach us 2000 years later. Steve Jobs left more than tech, he left a culture of innovation. Kobe passed on a work ethic that inspires even after he's gone. Because it's not about impact, it's about the impact after you. And that isn't built with words, but with rhythm, intent, discipline, and presence. At the end of each day, ask yourself 3 questions. What did I do today that someone else could repeat? Did I act today the way I want to be remembered? What could I improve tomorrow to leave a stronger trace? Legacy isn't marketing, it's your way of being every single day. From today on, you are not just working for results, you are working for history. Don't ask what you will get out of it. Ask what will you remain because of me. Create as if the word is mean to learn from it, because if you live only for yourself, you die with your last breath. But if you live for a legacy, you live forever.